Hello guys and welcome back to Wave of Wealth. Today I'm going to show you how to design your online store for beginners in just a couple of seconds. So what we have here is get ready to sell. This is of course your beginning homepage of your account, guys, when you get a free trial. So down below you can see design your online store in seconds. So right here we can see describe your product or brand in a few words to generate a custom theme for your online store. Let's check it out. For example, we will just paste this modern. Let's just see what will pop up. Modern right here. Let's just see with just a modern word. Generate custom themes. Be more descriptive. Okay, modern jewelry. That's it. Let's see what will pop up, guys. We just need to wait a bit right here, and then this window of themes on the left, as you can see, will pop up. So made for you, we can see here, made for you, modern jewelry, generate themes right here. We have a drive, we have a feather right here, view demo, try theme, or right here, whisper. So let's see whisper, what we have here. Okay, this looks pretty sophisticated, pretty amazing, minimalistic, and super easy design. So try theme. Let's just check it out when you press try theme, guys, right here, and what will pop up, what will happen. So yeah, the theme has been updated, guys, to our store. So let's see how it looks like. Timeless treasure right here. We can see down below the design and everything. And here, what we need to do here is, of course, to add our products to this featured collection. That's it. So down below, we need to just connect our socials, subscribe to our newsletter, and that's basically all you need for your online store. Everything else will be done through marketing, so this is enough. You have plenty of videos on our channel how to design your store, guys, how to add a banner, logo, how to design everything, how to add a product, how to add a collection, and so on, set up a price, and so on. So feel free to check it out. But this is basically all you need. On the left side, guys, is your edit functions. Here you can see announcement bar. From this point on, you can change the color and so on. You can see everything is updated live. You can just press on save in top right, and that's all you need to do. Super easy, super convenient, so give it a shot.